it should be banned because of the effect it has on underage drinkers. Its effect is extensive. It lures them in by the fun, adventurous scenes it portrays. Also, it can affect of-age drinkers as well by making them, or having the effect on them of possibly making more irrational decisions. I believe that if cigarette commercials should be banned because of the effect they have on people, I believe that alcohol should be banned as well.
Ads such as these can be persuasive towards viewers in ways that may disagree with their morals with drinking. The alcohol ads show of-age drinkers having so-called fun, but only when alcohol is involved. This can set a bad example for not only adults, but it can persuade underage children to think alcohol is needed to have fun. The overall effect could be harmful and could change their views or make them feel as if they need alcohol to have fun.